Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have my Allure box for the month of August, and there's some new changes coming to the Allure box. So to find out what they are, stay tuned. Now, for those of you who don't know what Allure is a beauty box that you receive every month. Up until now, it has been $15 a month, free shipping, and you're guaranteed to get at least one full-size product every month in the box, which is way more than the price of the box. But as most of you might have heard, there's some changes coming down the pike. So I have the email and I want to read to you what the changes are, how much the increase, and to tell you that you could take advantage of an opportunity right now if you want to lock in the $15 rate before it goes up. So, on October 1st, 2020, the monthly price for the Allure Beauty Box is increasing to $23 a month. So it's going from $15 to $23. But what they are doing is they said they're going to give you some major upgrades. You're going to get at least 6 products each month valued at least $100+, and you will get 3 or more full-size products in each box. Now, here is what I'm thinking about. If you are a current member and they want to thank you for your loyalty, they'd like to give you the opportunity to enroll in the annual plan at the current yearly rate of $165. So if you want to lock in your price right now, that might be something you might want to take advantage of. So I'm thinking about it. It just sucks to have to take that whole $165 hit at once. But you know, that's going to save you $8 a month. So I'm thinking highly of locking in that price. But if you do nothing, your subscription will automatically renew and your credit card will be charged the new rate of $23 each month. Okay, so here's the Allure Beauty Box. And when you open it, you always get a cute little magazine with all the details of all the goodies that's in the box. And here's how it comes. It always comes beautifully wrapped. Oh, and also, if you notice over here, I just got my Mint Mongoose for the month of August. If you'd like to see that video, I will leave a link up here. It's beautiful. I love the jewelry set this month. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's talk about all the items that's in the box. So the first item out of the box is this, and this is the PIXI Rose Oil Blend. And it says it's made up of hydrating oil, rose geranium oil. And you get a little dropper, and the bottle is over here. And how you apply and use this, it says, apply this oil as the last step in your nighttime skin routine. The floral scent reminds that it's time to relax and wind down. The formula absorbs instantly, and you don't have to worry about waking up with oil stains on your sheets. A coupon code for 15% off, and I will put that at the bottom of the screen if you're interested in taking advantage of that. So let's put that back, and let's go ahead and get the next item out of the box. And that is this little baby right here. It says, the ingredients work together to hydrate, brighten, and firm the skin. So use this serum after cleansing and toning, and it'll give you a subtle glow that you'll love. And the full-size price of this one is $84 at Sephora. Next one out is this, the ERNO LASZLO Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. And what it says about this, the Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar, the brand's most classic product, emulsifies into an inky liquid that gently rids your face of the grime it collects during the long day. After your rinse, your skin will have a thorough cleanse and you can feel the wind in your pores. And for a full-size bar of that, it is $38. And there is a discount code, and I will put that at the bottom of the screen. So it is black, and I am going to look at this, because I am definitely interested in this. I mean, my sink between the charcoal toothpaste and now I'm going to have black bar of soap. My sink's going to look not too good, but that's it. Yeah, definitely going to be interested in trying that. And the next one out is this Floss highlighter. And it says to apply, use a pointed fluffy brush that I swirl into the pan before sweeping across your cheekbones, down the bridge of your nose, and on your cupid bow. One pass delivers a barely there glow that's perfect for daily wear. And there is what the color is called, and it's called Sunlit, which, that is interesting. Oh, that's pretty if you can see that. Okay, but that's the highlighter you get. Here's the next item out, and this is called H2O Hydrating Sensitive Gel Cream Moisturizer, which I'm all about moisturizers. And what it says about this, H2O moisturizer is the ultimate remedy. The petal pink goo is spiked with chamomile to quell redness and irritation, and the formula also features calming HYSSOP, don't know how to pronounce that one, and hydrating squalene. It's oil-free, but still has a rich thickness that offers immediate relief. And there is a promo code on that too, and the full size of this is $42, and I will put the promo code with the expiration date at the bottom of the screen. And this one I'm super excited about. This one I'm definitely going to get some use out of. And this is WHISH Botanical Primer. And it says this primer is different because in addition to argan oil and aloe, it contains, I've never heard of this word, I'm going to spell it, BAKUCHIOL. And it says it's a gentler, natural alternative to retinol. After a few minutes of applying this creamy primer, your dry spots are smooth, the blurring formula fades the red blotches on your chin or cheeks, and your pores disappear. So I'm excited to definitely try that one. Okay, and the last item out of the box is a face mask, which I give them props for the cuteness of this package. And this says looks and MELL. And this is a lift up perfect fit mask. And this mask is made of a super stretchy material that keeps it from sliding. It's also soaked in a serum that contains niacinamide and vitamin C to brighten, and a bunch of floral and plant extracts. It says after one use, your skin looked incredibly glowy and a little bit brighter. And it is $3 for one face mask, and there is a promo code, and I will put it down at the bottom of the screen. So guys, that's basically it. Like I said, if you're interested in locking in the $15 a month and you're already a current member, definitely take advantage of that. If you do that, I should also say you have to call customer service, and the number is 1-800-274-1603 before October 1st, 2020 to take advantage of this limited time non-refundable offer. Okay, so if you're liking my videos, definitely hit the subscribe button down below, and until next time, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.